popping. Don't lose me. Breathe me. Okay. We got Hit me. Beach. Let me try that. Okay. Oh God, it smells like latex. Hey, you gotta let me try that. Oh, I feel ball already. Whoa, I'll let me try that. You look amazing. What? What else we got? Let's do something else. Wow. People in the hair look good. Oh, shit. Wow. Tell us in the comments what comment below. I'm illiterate. Subscribe and we will tell you what to say. I'm illiterate. Comment below, guys. Hey, guys, we got Kids Ahoy! This is Kids Ahoy! It's a Cocoa Crispy! Please come in. Thank you. I don't know what happened. We got Applejack! Alright, this is really cool, guys. But next, shut up. Alright, but anyways, we got Kids Crest. These kids must be really crested nowadays. An inhaler? We are going to be doing a giveaway on this inhaler, right? I'll be doing a giveaway. Antidepressants! Listen, guys, this is exclusive. If there's anywhere else, let's see winner giveaway. So then, comment down below. Now, essential healing. If your limbs are ever ripped off, make sure to use this in the Sorry we had technical difficulties. But, if you really want this, where'd it go? Did you put it?
Please help me, guys.